Hey everyone! ImageCreator, the free AI plugin for Photoshop, has just been updated. Now it supports SDXL 1.0 models. SDXL is the latest image generation model that is tailored towards more photorealistic outputs. Now 2 SDXL models are available in ImageCreator, DreamShaper SDXL 1.0, SDXL 1.0. Can you use other SDXL models? Yes, go to ModelHub. It's a space for you to customize models and use in the plugin. Click and browse model information here. Upload other nice SDXL models by using Upload Model button on the sidebar. When filling the uploading form, you can choose option SDXL1. Want to know more about ModelHub? In this video, we'll talk about what it is, how to use it, and demonstrate a case of creating a painting using new LoRA models of ModelHub. Let's start now. First, we go to the website of ImageCreator to enter the ModelHub. You can find web link below the video. Sign in with your account. If you do not have one, you may sign up first. After we sign in, there's a dashboard. Yes, that's the entrance. ModelHub is in front of you now. ModelHub is a model platform. It automatically connects to the plugin and handles all the heavy lifting, so you can spend more time creating art. You can now browse checkpoints and LoRAs separately, or filter models through origins. 3 labels. Public models are provided by the ImageCreator team and are available to all users. Personal models are uploaded by you. Community models are those added by other users' links. Want to upload models you like? Use the upload model at the sidebar. Fill out the basic information and upload the file, then publish it, and the model will be in plugin. You can choose the permissions for your models and decide whether others can use them. Still a little confused? Don't worry, we will teach you how to upload step by step later. Besides, you can add models through links. I do believe it's easier and more convenient to enrich my model library. I use a shared link in our Discord community. Click and open the link. And click Add, that's it. And it will be on your list with a community label. If you want to share your model, it's very easy. If you want to share a model, you need to choose the right permission when you upload it. Click the paper airplane icon, copy the link, and share it. How to edit your model list. What if I do not want to use some models? For example, if you do not want to use Realistic Vision version 3, you can disable it from appearing in the plugin. To do so, click Edit button here. Active models are indicated in colors. Turn them off and they are disabled now, and it will disappear in the plugin at the same time. Reactivate them and make them visible again. Here, Realistic Vision version 3 come back online. Don't like the order of model list? You can also rearrange the order of models for convenience when using the plugin. Simply drag and drop the models to change the order. You could place the most frequently used model at the top. And we can see the order change successfully. Easy and interesting, right? Now, let's do a specific case for uploading a LoRA model step by step. Don't know where to find free models? Civitai is a good place to go. Browse the web for a while, scrolling down until something catches your eye. Today, I want to create a futuristic and high-tech style picture, so I would like to find something related to Mecha. The armor looks very cool, intricate, and highly detailed, so click it to explore more. We can learn about the basic info and see the artworks of this LoRA model. This LoRA was trained with the capacity of creating various types of armor suits and mechas, so it is an appropriate model to help us to create a future soldier with great outfit. Download it here. Then we get the model file. Next step, upload it to ModelHub. Fill in all the info based on that web page in Civitai, and it contains all the details about Nijarmor. Choose the right type. This one is LoRA, and checkpoint is Stable Foundation 1.5. The category could be style, like the tag set here. The author's description can be used to clarify how to use it. This question relates to whether or not you can share your model with the community. Choose option 3 or 4 to let it be public, open for personal use or open for general use. Only want to use it by yourself? Choose private or access limited. You can decide whether to make it public or not. Copy and input the link address where you download the model. This model looks like it does not have special trigger words, so just continue. Upload the files, wait for a moment. Only one step before using it. Pick the thumbnail image and put one in gallery as well. Here we use one image of Civitai page. Okay, finished, and publish it. And we can find it in our LoRA model list. Now we can check whether ImageCreator has been uploaded successfully. Okay, it does show up as expected. So next, I will do an experiment using LoRA. First, I will only use DreamShaper V7, the base model, and then add LoRA models to see the difference between generations. Choose base model, DreamShaper V7, and the default prompts will appear. They are recommended prompts to try DreamShaper V7 for the first time. Since I want to generate cyber-style images, the prompt could be like this: gray cybersuit and something like mechanical. I wish this girl could stand in front of a spaceship, and the background could be a cyber city. Here are some words to improve the quality of the image: extremely detailed, 8K CG wallpaper, etc. Also, input some negative prompts. Adjust the parameters. I like to use the sampler. We suggest that clip skip value is 2. The generation could be better. Time to use magic. Generate. Based only on DreamShaper V7, the armor and mecha are not highly detailed. The whole style is too flat. Good picture, but not that amazing. So we need to add some sauce. ImageCreator LoRA to let her wear better suit. Wait, here I choose 0.8. Generate to see the result. The futuristic armor can be more surreal and texture is upgraded. Her arms and suit are more mechanical. How about adding more LoRA to affect the generation? Will it be more excellent or just nothing changed? Here I add a LoRA for adding details from the community. Plus, you may find all the links of model I used below the video if you want to try it. This LoRA may make the whole scene more attractive. The person's face became more refined, and the gloss on the mecha increased, making it more complex and giving it a stronger sense of technology. So what if we add another LoRA? Let's try a 3D style LoRA. Will the image be more like 3D animation? Use a higher value. After adding the 3D animation style LoRA, her eyes became larger, the contrast in the image improved, and the sky were drawn better. However, it's more like anime character rather than a human. Now let's compare the 4 generated images and see the influence of different LoRAs. The first is DreamShaper V7, then a ImageCreator LoRA is added. Next, I add a detailed enhancing LoRA one more, followed by a 3D animation style LoRA. I personally prefer the third one. Which generated image do you like the most? Do more LoRAs equal better image results? Leave your thoughts in the comment. You may try various LoRA modes to explore different effects. It's like a game that never ends. Have fun. Let's review steps to use ModelHub. Now find a model you like. Next, download the model file. Third, open ModelHub and upload. Use it in ImageCreator. Final step, click Generate to create images. That's all. Thanks for your watching. Get ImageCreator for free.